Happy. Happy. She looks happy with friends. Sad. Sad. He was sad last night. Tired. Tired. I feel tired after school. Hungry. Hungry. The baby is very hungry. Angry. Angry. My mom looks very angry. Cold. Cold. This water feels really cold. Hot. Hot. The soup is too hot. Fast. Fast. He drives a very fast car. Slow. Slow. She walks in a slow way. Clean. Clean. I love a clean room. Dirty. Dirty. Your shoes are very dirty. Big. Big. They live in a big house. Small. Small. He has a small toy car. Short. Short. That boy is very short. Tall. Tall. She is a very tall girl. Easy. Easy. This game is really easy. Hard. Hard. The test was very hard. Good. Good. He gave a good answer. Bad. Bad. This is an old storybook. New. New. She bought a new dress. Old. Old. This is an old storybook. Beautiful. Beautiful. What a beautiful garden it is. Ugly. Ugly. That's an ugly-looking sweater. Strong. Strong.
My father is very strong.
Weak. Weak. I feel weak after running. Kind. Kind. She is kind to everyone. Brave. Brave. The firefighter was very brave. Lazy. Lazy. Don't be a lazy student. Smart. Smart. My sister is very smart. Noisy. Noisy. The classroom was too noisy.